those that write CSS, we've shown you that Figma has improved its out-of-the-box CSS code generation, and we've also told you that you can extend it to meet your needs more specifically. But what if you didn't have to copy and paste to get it into your code? I didn't have to press copy here and then put it straight in. With Figma VSCode, we can auto-complete this generated CSS for you directly in the editor. So if I press the dot to start writing a CSS class, it knows what I've got selected and will suggest all the layers inside my selection. And then if I go for a B, for basket card, I can just click to get that layer name. Then when I'm in the CSS class, I want to add a background. And when I start typing background, it will know the CSS property for that layer, and I can auto-complete that. Or if I press Control Space, I get a list of all the properties, and I can add all missing styling for the selected layer.